Hey, you.
Look at that. You probably can't see it because I'm in focus and it's not, but it's beautiful Colorado sunset. As you can see, I'm probably in different dress than the rest of this video because I did record this update already, but the footage got corrupted on my audio, so I had to do it again. Hi, I'm back. Trenton can't join me tonight. He's actually at a barbecue, as unfortunate as that is. But I'm back. This channel, back. Maybe. I didn't realize it's been 9 months. 9 months since we published a video. We've made a couple of videos here and there. Like, we've made them, but either they've been undecided to be bad. I didn't edit them. Trenton's trying to get into editing. I'm trying to teach him, but I'm also trying to do my stuff as well. So there's that. He's a little behind on that. He needs a little help with there. Or just there's been months where there's nothing for me to record, mainly because my car's been broken. So last thing that you saw was us putting headlights and taillights on my car. I'm going to do a quick little overview. If you really don't care about this update, which I'm sure a lot of people don't, I'm sorry. But because I'll be a short video because then it's only like 4 minutes. But nonetheless, hopefully the camera doesn't die. But so I just wanted to sincerely apologize first of all, mainly because I'm still trying to learn the whole YouTube algorithm and YouTube stuff. Also, I'm going to school. I have a job now, a steady job. Some other stuff has just been happening in my life. So we'll start with the basics. My car is a piece of... Other R53 Mini owners know that Minis are unreliable. Okay? And mine definitely was. So the Heckmobile, back in December of 2018, turns out the entire front suspension was out. If you didn't know this, R53s, or just the first gen Mini Coopers, their strut braces, their struts are so stiff, and their strut braces, the metal's like maybe 1/16 of an inch, so it's not that thick. And when you have all that it mushrooms them out slowly but surely. And I didn't really know that until I started researching it, because then I really knew it because all my struts for my strut mount was just okay. So yeah, that was the first bad thing. So I get it back. It drives nice. Has Bilstein shocks in it. It's driving down the road fine. And then the exhaust decides to blow. Just funny. We were actually going down to Peak Eurosport, which is in Denver, where I get my car fixed a lot, because the window regulator went out, and a window regulator ran me $600. A window regulator, $600. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. So we were driving down there to go get this fixed, and I shift from 5th to 4th to downshift to pass this guy on the interstate. falling behind my dad. Shift, I'm in fifth, car sounds normal, quiet. Shift to fourth, and I was like, what the hell just happened? The pre-cat, right before the catalytic converter in my car, just went. Some other stuff happened. Oh yeah, when I got my front suspension installed, I was like, you know what? I don't want to do this. It's a lot of work. Can you just put this in for me? So they put the 17% reduced pulley in, and it was making some boost. No idea how much. And, you know, everything was fine. But as I'm sitting here right now, it is September 2nd, so it's Labor Day. I am without the Heckmobile once again. We were driving down to Thornton. This was, okay, so you know the blinkers? I did that probably like August like 15th, 16th. Yeah, I know. I'm slow with editing and it took me a while to get to it. Whatever. Screw off. Like 6 days after that, the start of this video, my car decided to go into limp mode on I-25. My car just wouldn't start. Just wouldn't do it. Got it started somehow. We brought it to TVAP, and then that Sunday, put it on a trailer, brought her home. What happened was, when we got the 17% reduced pulley on, I don't know what, there might have been some miscommunication, or they told me that it was fine, because it's always recommended to change the belt tensioner because it gets, you know, used over time. And they didn't replace that when they put the 17% reduced pulley on it, so the tensioner wasn't used to that, and it was loose. And the belt sat there and basically tore my alternator pulley out, tore my crank pulley kind of off, and that's what was giving the grinding noise, was all my pulleys were unbalanced. And the belt was starting to rip, even though it was a brand new belt. We are currently getting that fixed. And I was thinking about it, I was talking with my dad, and the day when the car actually broke down, I was gonna go look, I did look at a 1990 Toyota Supra. As far as this channel goes, it's very car themed and car centric. I've been focusing on my photography more, and I've been trying to work on my cinematography. I'm getting a gimbal hopefully soon. I can get a new lens for this camera so it looks pretty. And you honestly will probably be seeing me do more video shoots and cinema shoots of other people's cars. On that very pleasing and happy note, I would like to thank every single one of you for sticking around. If you come back to this video, I really do thank you for supporting us, for you know letting us put stupid information in front of you, that of which isn't even that entertaining, and you know, to let us have a chance. So we're definitely trying. We're gonna try to record more. I'm gonna definitely try to record more because that's where I want to go with my life, is cinematography. And I just hope to see more out of this channel, and I hope you can see more out of this channel. And to be honest, one of the people that I've been talking to recently, who is a YouTuber, is Built on YouTube. Amazing guy. He's from Alabama. He gives away cars like the Dad Wagon. Actually, Dad Wagon was his first one. Right now, he's building a Datsun 620 based off of the Kaiser's rendering, which looks like this. So if you want to see some amazing content, go over to his channel, please. You know, I'm wearing his hat. I have a couple of his shirts. He's a cool guy. I talked to him on Instagram a while. He honestly has pushed me to go, you know, get back into this, because he said, you know what, I like what you have, but I know it can get better. And I've been needing to hear that. So I hope this video was semi-professional and okay to watch. And I'm sorry it got boring here at the end, but I really, really do thank every single one of you for coming to this video, and I really hope you have a great rest of your day. My name is Austin from AT Cars. If you could give us a subscribe if you want to. If you can give us a like if you did like this video. Give it a dislike if you hate that the R53 is breaking. I hope to see you in the next video, whenever that is, which is hopefully soon, if I can get my lazy ass up. For now, I'm gonna kick back and look at the mountains. Peace.